students, now we are going to learn about Selenium remote control. In Selenium remote control, the Selenium server launches and kills browser, interprets and runs the Selenese commands passed from the test program and act as an HTTP proxy, intercepting and verifying HTTP messages passed between the browser and the AUT. The client libraries, which provide the interface between each programming language and the Selenium remote control server. The primary task for using Selenium remote control is to convert your Selenese into a programming language. The given diagram shows about the working of the Selenium remote control. That is, the application under test, which is connected to the Chrome and iExplore, that is controlled by the remote control that contains Java, Ruby, Python, Perl, PHP or .NET. The sample test scripts and the sample programs are given below for reference. Now we have to learn about how to learn the API. First, we have to set up the given URL. The browser is manipulated by a browser instance that is assigned to a program variable. This program variable is then used to call methods from the browser. Selenese commands are then ran by calling the respective methods from the browser variable. That is, selenium.type method contains field ID and requires string to be typed. To utilize iteration and conditional logic, Selenium remote control uses program language specific methods in conjunction with Selenese commands. Use the getEval method of Selenium API to execute JavaScript from the Selenium remote control. Here, the server security and browser configuration. Command line option can be used to change the default server behavior. If your AUT is behind an HTTP proxy, which requires authentication, http.proxyhost, http.proxyport, and proxy user, and HTTP proxy passport. You can run Selenese HTML files directly within the Selenium server by passing the HTML file to server's command line. When launching Selenium Server, the log option can be used to record valuable debugging information reported by the Selenium Server to a text file. When dealing with HTTPS in Selenium Remote Control Test, that is the run mode that supports handling security pop-ups and process the security certificate for you. When a browser is not directly supported, you may still run your Selenium test against the browser of your choice by using the custom run mode. It may be in the place of Firefox or iExplorer. When you test applications, start the browser. That's all for today's class. Let me explain other topics on the next class. Thank you.